Hello friend, now let me introduce our 25 model machine. This machine produces the size from 8 to 30 millimeter and the thickness from 0.3 to 1.5 millimeter. Now let me give you brief introduction about the machine part. Please have a look. This is the decoiner, the double side decoiner, and this is the forming section. Yeah. And the gearbox. This is the small model machine, so you will see the machine stand is very level. This design can be better for produce the small size. And this is the welding area. And this is the cooling system. And this is the sizing section. And the last part, this is the cold saw cutting machine. Okay, so if you are interested in the high frequency welding machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.